Buying your first house can be a daunting task, and in this series on home ownership by Home Capital, we simplify the entire process for you. In this series, we will talk about the various factors that you must keep in mind before you decide to buy a house, the process that you can expect when you are buying the house, and finally, what are your responsibilities as a homeowner. In this episode, we will talk about your financial responsibility as a homeowner. In this episode on your financial responsibilities as a homeowner, we will talk about the importance of repaying your home loan EMIs on time, talk about budgeting to maintain your home, and finally, the post-purchase cost and planning that you must keep in mind for your new home. The most important factor with respect to your home loan EMIs is always to pay your EMIs on time. You must always pay your EMIs on time because the cost of missing a home loan EMI can be pretty high. The first cost of missing a home loan EMI is in the form of a penalty which is charged by your lender, which is equal to an amount of 1 to 2% of your EMI each month. And if you were to accumulate this over a year, it can be equal to an amount of 24% of your EMI for the entire year. There can be times when you're faced with an unavoidable financial situation and you have a crunch and you may miss making an EMI payment. Your banker will always allow you to pay the missed EMI along with the next month's EMI. But you must be aware that you are going to be charged a penalty which is equal to 1 to 2% of your EMI per month. In addition to the penalties that you land up paying, there are two other factors where you may lose out if you do not pay your EMIs on time. The first one is you may lose your eligibility to transfer your home loan tomorrow if you are getting a better deal from a different lender. If you are defaulted in your EMI payments, you may not be allowed to transfer the loan, or the new lender will not be willing to take you as a borrower because when you miss your payment of EMIs, your credit score gets affected. Missing out your EMI payments is one of the biggest factors that has an adverse impact on your credit score. A single default can shave off close to 50 to 70% of your credit score at once. That is why it not only affects your current borrowing status, it also affects your ability to borrow loans at a preferential rate in the future. So not only you land up paying a penalty for missing the EMI, but also you affect your credit score adversely, which will in turn affect your future ability to get a loan at a preferential rate. That is why it is extremely important that you always pay your EMIs on time. To do a quick recap of episode 9, we talked about the importance of paying your EMIs on time and how you can do that by keeping a budget in place. We talked about the 3 stages in which your budget will change and how by being on top of your budget or by having a good control over your budget, you will ensure that you do not default in paying your EMIs on time. And lastly, we talked about the social aspects of moving into your new house and the various documents that you must keep in place so that they are readily accessible to you at any point in time in the future. In the next episode, we will talk about the various factors you must keep in mind if you plan to refinance your home loan at any point of time in the future. The Home Capital community assists and guides you successfully through your journey of home ownership. Join India's first community of home buyers and homeowners and take your next step towards home ownership.